Hello everyone! Welcome to the Flying Machine channel. As we know, an aircraft can fly because of the manipulation of air flowing on the surface of the aircraft's wings. Without airflow, an aircraft will not be able to fly. But what about a spaceship? Why can it fly even though it is in a vacuum? This is what we will discuss in this video. However, before continuing the discussion, let's support the Flying Machine channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. To answer this question, we need to discuss two important parts that distinguish conventional aircraft from spacecraft. The first thing that distinguishes conventional aircraft from spacecraft lies in the engine. Conventional aircraft generally use a type of internal combustion engine, namely, a gas turbine engine, while spacecraft use rocket engines. Both engines have clearly different working systems, but have the same purpose, which is to produce thrust to move the aircraft so that it can accelerate in the air. Aircraft engines require two important components to work, namely, fuel and oxygen. In turbine engines, oxygen is obtained from outside air that is sucked into the combustion chamber through the air intake, while in rocket engines, oxygen is not obtained from outside air but is provided in a special tank. That is why rocket engines can work in a vacuum, because the oxygen supply to the engine has been specially provided. In the combustion chamber, the combustion of the fuel and oxygen mixture will produce an explosion, which is then converted into kinetic energy to propel the aircraft. The second thing that distinguishes conventional aircraft from spacecraft is the aircraft control system. Conventional aircraft are controlled through a surface control system consisting of rudder, aileron, and elevator. The surface control system functions to control the direction of air flowing on the surface of the aircraft body, so that the aircraft can perform yaw, pitch, and roll movements. That is why conventional aircraft can only fly in the atmosphere layer that is rich in air. Meanwhile, spacecraft are also equipped with a surface control system. However, it only works when the aircraft is about to land. While when the aircraft is in a vacuum, the surface control system does not function at all. The control of the aircraft in a vacuum is done with thrust vector control, or thrust vectoring, which is a mechanism that can change the direction of the engine exhaust gas jet. The rocket engine of the spacecraft is equipped with a movable exhaust gas nozzle, so that the direction of the engine exhaust gas jet can be controlled. Changing the direction of the exhaust gas jet will produce torque that also changes the direction of the aircraft. From the discussion, it can be concluded that a spacecraft can fly in a vacuum because it uses a rocket engine. And the rocket engine is also equipped with thrust vector control technology. That's all the discussion in this video. If there is other interesting information, let's discuss it in the comments column. See you in the next video.